So apparently, what is that, my left side?
What?
This is the before, and this is the after. So what we basically did was we used a whitening toothpaste, baking soda and peroxide to basically make.
Not baking soda peroxide. Baking soda peroxide toothpaste.
That's what I said, a toothpaste, baking soda and peroxide. Yeah, toothpaste with hot water, and basically to make it more clearer, to make, what is that, the headlight?
Yeah.
The headlight more clearer, you just wiped it. And as you can see on the left side, that's the before, and the right side is the after. And now we're just wiping it down.
Wow, this thing. Wow.
See, look in the video.
Wow.
This looks amazing. But we did use hot water.
Look at that compared to this to that.
Yeah.
Get it closer.
It is close.
No, on that side.
This is the before, and this is the after. So you can see it's a big difference. And this is what we use. Come on, foot. Regular toothbrush, 99 cents, and hot water.